Hey everybody, it's David Cinelli here, Realtor with Royal LePage Signature. Today's home tip is about cleaning your dishwasher. Yeah, we know that your dishwasher cleans dishes, but sometimes that dishwasher get a little stinky, and sometimes you get food and stuff caught in the drains, and your dishes don't really get fully clean or the best clean that they possibly can. So how do we do to combat that? Well, that's what today's tip is. So there's 3 basic steps you do to clean your dishwasher. The first thing you want to do is open up your dishwasher and remove the bottom rack. And you're going to go into the drain and you're going to clean out any debris or food or anything that's been stuck in the drain or in that bottom area. Just clean it right out. Next step, you're going to get 1 cup of vinegar, just regular vinegar, and you're going to place it in a dishwasher-safe container. And you're going to put it in the top level of that dishwasher. Then you close the dishwasher and you're going to run a hot water cycle through that dishwasher. And then the last step, what you're going to do is open up the dishwasher after the cycle is run, and you can put some baking soda along the bottom layer of where you just took the rack out of. And again, run one more maybe a shorter cycle. It could be a full cycle, but try to keep it to a shorter cycle as long as hot water, again, is running through your dishwasher. And at the end, your dishwasher should be smelling great, and you put that lower rack back in and your dishes should come out nice and clean. Well, I hope you enjoyed this tip. If you have any tips for me to touch on, or if you have a tip that you want me to share, please feel free to reach out. I'd love to hear from you. Have a great day. Bye for now.